Hi guys, it's MK and today we are going to be opening this Barbie Skipper's Babysitter. So let's get to it. I'm gonna use scissors to cut the bottom of this. There. So now there's a little thing here. Oops. Oopsie. So I open half with the scissors. So I'm gonna need them a little bit. It's open. So now that it's open, let's grab some scissors and start chopping. First I'm going to chop. Oh, so close to cutting her hair. You are free! Yay! Oh. There's some chips. There we go. Here's some chips. Here's the little girl. Just a little girl and Skipper is babysitting her. I'm gonna finish the rest of Skipper and then you can play on your toy. Why does Skipper have a huge bag? I have no idea. She doesn't deserve this. She doesn't deserve to be tied up like she's a prisoner. Why do people have to make it so difficult for child? I cut a little bit of her hair. Skipper's out. Her day is finished. She has very soft hair, actually. She has a huge bag stuck to her. I don't like that. Just let her go. There's a huge bag right here. There's a bunch of stuff that you can put in the bag. Like first, there's a bunch of things. There we go. So let's cut out one easier thing. There we go. So that could go in the bag. She always has to hold her phone, of course. Here's the baby's toy phone, which only the baby has on her stroller. There is a milkshake. So the milkshake goes there, but it's hers. It's her milkshake. She has a bag of animal crackers. That's weird. We're gonna put that in the bag. Oh no, I know what goes there instead of the milkshake. Her bottle. That milkshake goes there. But her bottle belongs there. Because you need a bottle. Let's put that in her bag. How do you put it in her bag? That's hard. I don't think I'm gonna get anything out of here except the chips. Literally. Alright. We have her bottle. He's supposed to be. But you hold your own milkshake. You hold your own bottle. How about that? She's like, I'm gonna drink it. But I get a relaxing smoothie. Here's your toy. Okay, you're gonna hold your toy up. Like you're calling 911. Okay, there we go. Up and away. Up and away. There we go. Yoop. There's one more thing that's going to be very hard to get out, which is a teddy bear. First, teddy bear for the little girl. How are you going to get a teddy bear out? Like, literally, we can't get that out. It's going to be impossible. Teddy bear don't want to come out. Oh, here you go, little girl. Wow. The teddy bear does not want you. Here's the teddy bear. She put that in the bag, like peeking out. That'd be cute. Peeking out of her bag, like that. Cute. Cuts it. Bag on. Her phone's on her. Oh wow. So let's just put your drink right there.
Turn it around. Turn it around.
Oh, this moves. They like this thing right here that makes her move up and down. Like in the back right here, it has like something that makes him go up and down. That's really cool. All right, time to push the little girl. She has her bag. Also, she needs like the person who she's babysitting is on her fake phone, and that's the real phone. Right, let's go to the oh, when you roll it, it like rolls this for you. Look.
Oh, let's try it. Go ahead.
Whee!
Oh, there you go. Try again. Oh.
Come on, little girl. Let's go to the park. Whee! I got your phone. Bad girl. And we all fell. I was still attached. It'll be fine. Bye, guys. I really like it. So, hope you like this video.